We listen to your feedback. Introducing our new and improved store of knowledge. Now, let's dive in. Rather than having all of the webinars and videos and job aids scattered across one long page, we decided to give them their own dedicated page to make them more accessible to you. By hovering and selecting each section, it will take you to the desired page. Let's select the button that says Live Webinar Training and check in with one of our training experts about all the features.
Within our webinars page, you will now be able to see our entire catalog, including a description for each webinar for the upcoming month. By selecting the Register button underneath your desired webinar, you will be taken to our WebEx platform, where you will enter in the following information to finalize your registry. First and last name, work email address, agency name and address, as well as your agency code, and finally, your phone number in case we need to contact you with any questions.
Thank you so much for that overview. I am so glad that we include descriptions to ensure the webinar you want to attend is a true value add. Now, let's check in with another one of our training experts and see what has changed in the video section.
Don't have time to attend a 30-minute training session? Look no further. On our on-demand video page, you will have access to our full library of training videos, including our monthly featured video, as well as additional videos focusing on both product and process.
That is great! I am so excited that we will now have all of our videos located in one centralized location, and they will be accessible at any time. Last but not least, let's check in with our final training expert and review the job aids section.
Not sure how to do something in AM Suite? We've got you covered with our job aids library. Here, you will be able to browse the library and find quick, downloadable instructions for processes like adding an additional interest, basic navigation, processing cancel/rewrites, setting up easy pay, and much more. The best part is that these resources are available to you anytime, so you can easily and quickly find what you need. It's all in the job aids library, just a click away.
Thank you so much for joining us for the launch of our new and improved store of knowledge. Now get out there and ramp up your training and ramp up your business.
Want to learn more? Visit AMIG.com/ramp to sign up for a webinar, watch a video, download a job aid, and more.